In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's quickly see what will be the code implementation of. So I where function where length of lis, right? This will be my function. I will simply call this function with the nums, right? And inside this, I will simply return lis, right? So this is my lis function where I have nums and I will call 0 and -1. So first what I will do, I will simply define lis because I don't have lis function. Lis nums with an index, right? And you can say previous, or like here I'm changing the variable with last. Basically I have calculated the last. You can call it anything. Right now inside this function, and what is the base case? If your index is reaching to the end, you will simply return 0, right? You will simply return 0 and basically n. So you have not defined n, so let me define n is equals to nums length, right? And we will also define dp. So dp is equals to basically array of size n dot fill. Basically I will 0. Again there are different methods to define it. Choose any one. Then I will simply say dot map, right? Inside this map I will simply map it. I'll map it with an array and it is of size n plus 1 dot with -1. So I will basically fill with -1. This is one way, or also you can create new array size and then still, and you can do create by iteration. That is also fine. So now after this, I will simply say I will update my this last basically previous index. So how I will update it? I will simply say last index is equals to last plus 1, right? This is how I will update it. And once I have updated, please say if dp of index will be last index, right? If it is not equals to -1, then I will simply return dp of index last index, right? So if dp of index last is not equals to -1, then I will simply return it. Now I will check first case of not taking it, right? So let length is equals to, if I'm not taking it, I will simply move ahead, right? Not taking it means 0 plus lis num. I will simply move ahead index plus 1 and I will say index, right? Once I have done this one, and here I basically, if I'm moving ahead, this will come to here, right? Not the index, because I'm moving ahead without taking it. I'm moving ahead without taking it, right? Now one condition, if your last is equals to -1 or your nums of index is greater than the nums of last, then what you will do? Then you will take a call. How you will take a call? You will take it how? Basically you will say 1 plus lis nums and you have an index plus 1 and then you have an index, right? By this you will take a call and your length will be updated. Length is equals to max dot max of length and comma take, right? Now what you will simply store the length dp of index last index equals to length, and once you have stored it, you will simply return length, right? So you are storing it, you can like basically once you stored, you can return dp as well, right? So that is also possible. And where I'm calling, yeah, here I'm calling this function. So basically this is how I store in DP, and this is how this will be basically my code of it, right? So this will be the code. This is the code implementation. In the next video I will give you a quick dry run of this approach. So see you in the next video.